Hello and welcome to Royal Power Solutions discussion of graphene busbars. The name graphene busbars was derived from the fact that graphene is the flattest substance known to man. How that applies to our busbars is that when we produce very large busbars in the near meter length, flatness becomes more critical. When we stamp a product like this, traditional stamping technology can only yield about 3 millimeters worth of flatness from end to end in this bus bar. Our new graphene process, however, creates a flatness that is much less than 1 millimeter over the entire length of this product. What benefit does that do? That benefits in how dense the customer can package these bus bars into their devices and battery packs. It assists in cooling, where these bus bars need to be flat to be in intimate contact with the active cooling. Third stance is, when it's very, very flat, it's very dimensional repeatable between the mounting positions. If there's variation of up to 3 millimeters, it's very difficult to assemble. Again, designing and building processes that bring quality and better performance into our large bus bars was exactly the target for the Royal's development of the graphene bus bar process. Now this bus bar is stamped, and the entire manufacturing line that creates this product is over 85 feet long. The portion of that line that creates the flatness in this product, the graphene aspect, is 53 feet long in itself. So it's a very sizable amount of equipment and process and intellectual horsepower went into this to create a product that can be so flat for our customers. I've discussed other unique process technologies that Royal offers, but this is a very key example as well, that the customer comes to us with a problem, we put our cross-functional assets together, and through our many years of manufacturing prowess in the stamping industry, we were able to develop the graphene process and raise the bar in flat bus bar manufacturing.